You have to define what you're looking for. Like you said, I'm
Yes.
looking for a cottage in this area, and this is exactly what I need. If you find that, please bring it to me. So now they know, all right, if this comes across my desk, I already know who wants this. I can pick up the phone now, call 𝐫𝐵𝐻 and say, hey, what you were looking for, I have it.
Yes, exactly. And one other thing I do to find great deals is I go take a walk, or I take my car and I do some farming around, and I'm trying to find either buildings or land. And in the last year, I bought 20 lots of land to be able to develop it. And these were German guys. Okay.
Okay.
They were not in Canada. They were not in USA. They were in German, and they had bought the land in 1987, a long time ago.